Let me ask you something. Have you ever bought a simple item for your home, used it once, and then immediately thought, wait, how was I living before this? Not because it's expensive, not because it's fancy, but because it quietly removes daily frustration. Today's video is all about those items. No luxury nonsense. No gimmicks that end up in drawers. These are small upgrades that fix real problems, the kind of problems you don't even realize are draining your energy every single day. And trust me, by the end of this list, at least one item will feel like it was made specifically for you. Let's get into it. The first 5 items will instantly change your routine. Number 1. Motion sensor trash can. This looks like a small thing until you use it. Your hands are dirty. You're cooking. You're cleaning. You're holding trash. Instead of touching a lid, pushing pedals, or fumbling around, you simply move your hand, and it opens. Automatically. It closes quietly. It stays clean. And suddenly, your kitchen feels 10 times more modern. This is one of those items that people think is unnecessary, until they own it. Then they never go back. Number 2. Under-sink expandable organizer. The space under your sink is usually a mess. Random bottles, leaking cleaners, awkward pipes in the way. This organizer expands around plumbing, stacks vertically, and turns wasted space into real storage. No more pulling out 5 items just to reach one. No more forgotten cleaning products expiring in the dark. It transforms chaos into calm, silently. Number 3. Magnetic spice jars. Spices everywhere. Cabinet doors opening like a surprise attack. Tiny labels you can't read. Magnetic spice jars solve all of that. They stick to your fridge or mount on the wall. Everything is visible. Everything is reachable. Your kitchen instantly feels organized, intentional, and premium without renovation. And once you cook with them, you'll wonder why spices were ever hidden in cabinets to begin with. Number 4. Silicone sink splash guard. If you've ever washed dishes and ended up with a wet shirt, this is for you. This flexible silicone guard fits behind the sink and blocks water from splashing back onto you or onto your counter. It's simple. It's quiet. It doesn't scream gadget. But it fixes a problem you deal with almost every day. Number 5. Adjustable bed tray with foldable legs. This one changes how you relax. Working on the couch, eating in bed, watching movies with snacks. No more balancing plates. No more overheating laptops. No more awkward positions. It folds away when you're done and feels like a luxury when you're using it. We've only just started, and already life feels a bit easier, right? Before we continue, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into the real heavy hitters, the items that quietly improve your home every single day. Number 6. Cordless electric scrubber. Scrubbing bathrooms manually is exhausting. Grout, tiles, bathtubs, corners. This tool spins for you. You just guide it. It removes stains faster, cleans deeper, and saves your wrists, shoulders, and patience. Once you use it, hand scrubbing feels outdated. Number 7. Self-wringing flat mop. Traditional mops are messy. Water everywhere. Hands getting wet. Bending over repeatedly. This mop wrings itself with a simple push or pull. Your floors dry faster. Your hands stay clean. Your back stays happier. Cleaning stops feeling like punishment. Number 8. Drawer dividers for kitchen and wardrobe. Drawers become junk zones because nothing has boundaries. These dividers create order instantly. Utensils stop mixing. Socks stop disappearing. Everything stays where you put it. It's a small change, but your mornings get smoother almost immediately. Number 9. Automatic soap dispenser. Touch-free soap isn't just cleaner, it's smarter. No smudges. No soap buildup. No shared germs. It dispenses the perfect amount every time, saving soap and keeping sinks cleaner. It's one of those things guests notice instantly. Number 10. Clip-on cabinet trash bin. This one feels like magic while cooking. You're chopping vegetables, peeling fruit, trimming ingredients. Instead of walking to the trash over and over, you just swipe scraps straight into a bin attached to your cabinet door. Cooking becomes faster and cleaner without you even thinking about it. 11. Anti-fatigue kitchen floor mat. Standing on hard floors takes a toll. Feet hurt. Back tightens. Cooking feels longer than it should. This mat cushions your steps and absorbs pressure. Suddenly, standing for longer doesn't feel like a chore. Your body notices the difference immediately. Number 12. Over-the-door storage rack. No drilling. No tools. No commitment. Just instant storage. Shoes, towels, bags, cleaning supplies. Everything finally has a place. Perfect for small homes, rentals, or anyone who hates clutter. Number 13. Rotating Pantry Organizer, Lazy Susan. If you've ever knocked things over trying to reach the back of a shelf, you need this. One gentle spin, and everything is visible. No digging. No stacking. No frustration. It turns shelves into something actually functional. Number 14. Magnetic Screen Door. Fresh air feels amazing until insects join you. This door installs without drilling and closes itself using magnets. You walk through effortlessly. It snaps shut behind you. Air flows. Bugs stay out. Simple problem. Perfect solution. Number 15. Shoe Storage Bench with hidden compartments. Shoes scattered everywhere instantly make a home feel messy. This bench fixes that. You sit down to wear shoes. You store them neatly. You keep your entrance clean. One piece of furniture. 3 problems solved. Number 16. Foldable laundry basket with handles. Bulky baskets take up space even when empty. This one folds flat. It's light. Easy to carry. Easy to store. Laundry stops being awkward and starts feeling manageable. Number 17. Fridge deodorizer reusable. You know that smell. The one that appears out of nowhere. This deodorizer absorbs odors instead of masking them. No chemicals. No fragrances. Just a fresher fridge, naturally. Number 18. Wall-mounted broom and mop holder. Cleaning tools belong on walls, not floors. This holder grips brooms, mops, and brushes securely. Your storage space looks cleaner. Your tools last longer. And grabbing them takes seconds. Number 19. Oil spray bottle for cooking. Pouring oil almost always means using too much. This sprayer gives you control. Light coating. Even distribution. Healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Once you use it, bottles feel clumsy. Number 20. Touch control LED bedside lamp. No switches. No fumbling in the dark. Tap to turn on. Tap to adjust brightness. Perfect for reading, relaxing, or getting up at night without blinding yourself. Still with me? Good, because the last 5 items look small, but their impact is shockingly big. These quietly change everything. Number 21. Door draft stopper. Cold air sneaking in. Dust under doors. Noise traveling room to room. This simple stopper blocks all of it. Your space feels warmer, quieter, and more comfortable instantly. Number 22. Multi-purpose microfiber cleaning cloths. These replace paper towels, wipes, and rags. They clean better, last longer, and work with just water. Once you switch, disposable cleaning feels wasteful. Number 23. Expandable dish drying rack. Some days you cook more. Some days you don't. This rack expands when needed and shrinks when not. It adapts to your life instead of forcing you to adapt to it. Number 24. Heat-resistant silicone stove gap covers. That tiny gap between stove and counter? Food falls in. Grease builds up. Cleaning becomes impossible. These covers seal the gap completely. Once installed, you'll forget the problem ever existed. Number 25. Smart night light with motion sensor. This one sneaks up on you. It turns on automatically when you walk past. Turns off when you leave. No switches. No bright lights. No stumbling in the dark. Late-night trips become effortless and safe. There you have it. 25 items that genuinely make daily life easier from the moment you wake up to the second you go to bed. None of these items are flashy, but every single one removes friction from daily life. Less bending, less cleaning, less frustration. And when those small stresses disappear, life feels smoother. So tell me, which item surprised you the most? Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.